Today we're going to go through how to isolate the probe loop chamber and calibrate pH probes. To start, we're going to turn the two vertical ball valves horizontal. And typically you want a bucket or something under here, but we're going to open the drain valve to relieve the pressure. We're going to calibrate probe number 2. So now that we're isolated, we can safely pull the U-pin. We pull out our pH probe. We'll visually inspect it to see if the glass is broken and if there's an air bubble. And after doing that, we'll clean it. We'll rinse it in water. And then we're going to put it in the 7 solution. We shake it around so there's no air bubbles. Once that's complete, we'll go to our SensorX TX100. We're going to press and hold E. Once you see CAL for calibrate pop up, you'll press E one more time. You can see it's blinking 7 in the bottom right hand corner. That's telling you to put it in 7 solution. We'll leave it there for about 45 seconds or until the top number stabilizes. Now that it's been about 45 seconds, we'll press E to lock that in. And now it's blinking 4.01, telling you to put it in the 4 solution. So we'll take the pH probe out of 7, rinse it, then we'll shake dry. And we'll put it in 4, shake it around, make sure there's no air bubbles. And now we'll wait about another 45 seconds or until this top number stabilizes. And now that we've waited about 45 seconds, we'll press E to lock that in. It's telling you CON for confirm. Give it about 10 seconds and you'll see your reading. And we'll put it in the 7 solution to verify. So we put it in 7, we're reading 7. Now that this pH probe is calibrated, we'll put it back in the line. Put the U-pin in, and you'll repeat the process for the second probe. After that's finished, you're going to close your drain valve. You're going to crack open your ball valve just a little bit, let the probe loop pressurize, and then you can safely open both of these verticals. And now you're complete.